Oh, there go those floods again, man. We're right here on 240. Looking like a damn river, man. God damn. Do not drive in it, Memphis. Come on. Look at these folks. Man, there's nowhere to go. Damn. 240 shut down, man. 240 shut down. I told y'all about these storms last huge storm, man. Get these drains unclogged, man. This shit for real. Hold on, Black News. Oh man, 240's bagged up like crazy right now. There's nowhere to go because of this. You gotta do something about this water, man. Every time it rains hard, this what happens. Cars get stuck, the E-way gets shut down. I know these folks trying to get to work. Uh-oh, they got a tow truck. Bulldozing through there. Oh, let's go. Hold on, Black News. Avoid the area. Do not come this way. 240. Hold on, Black News. Oh, it's a lot of mad people right now. I know it is. They can't get to work. Look at this man saying, damn that, he gotta go. He getting through there. Oh, he said, damn that. He in a big truck. He said, watch this. Uh-oh. We'll see if he gonna make it. Let me go back over here, man. Hold on, Black News. We got Brittany DeBose out here. Looking good, no cap. Oh, he made it. He said, damn that water, he gotta go. He gotta go. He getting on down, he out of there. He out of there. Do not do it. Yeah, man. He out of there. No cap. He gone. He gotta go, man. He said he ain't waiting in there. No, he's not. He gotta get on down. Only on Black News. But the rest of y'all, don't do that.